So I'm going to be talking about something called component optimization. So I want to say right off the bat that this video is titled How to Make a Music Video That Guarantees You 1 million views. So it's all about virality. It's not about how to be passionate about music. This is about marketing. So if you're the type of person who's going to get upset with me telling you to do certain things to gain virality, then this video is not for you. Be prepared to have your mind blown. So in a music video, what are the components? The video itself. We also have the song. And we have the thumbnail, and we have the overall message. You may find that there are other components to a music video, and the more components you can list out, the better. But now we're going to further break down each component. So in the video itself, you have the location, your background, all right? Location/background. Next one is props. Are you holding guns? Do you have horses in the music video like Lil Nas did? What are your props? Actors. So these could be dancers, people that you hire in the music video, and so on and so forth. Now in the song, you have the lyrics, you also have the beat, and you have features. For the message, we're gonna leave that there for now. And for thumbnail, we're also gonna leave that for now. One more thing I wanna add as a component is the avatar. We can go to outfit, hairstyle, makeup. We'll leave it there for now. So this is step one. Listing out all the components of a music video. Now is when the magic happens. The second step, optimization. So this whole idea of component optimization is with every single component that makes up a music video, how can we maximize the potential of this music video going viral by maximizing the virality of each component? For example, using actors, how can you increase virality? Using props, how can you increase virality? Using your location and background, how can you increase virality? Call me a conspiracy theorist, but I know for certain that this is what labels do. When they try to create a song that they guarantee is gonna go viral, they sit down and they plan to this level. So if you are making music videos, 10, 20, 50 of them, and none of them are doing, well, the numbers that you hope for, does it not surprise you? All you do is hire a videographer when you have a song and you expect that to go viral. And you're not sitting down maximizing the potential of your video. Anyways, so then the question comes about, how do I maximize virality? Maximizing virality is maximizing talking points, okay? Because when a lot of people are talking about something, that's where that something goes viral. So we're gonna talk about 6ix9ine's song Gumo. As much as many of y'all may not like 6ix9ine, you can't help but say that this guy did an amazing job with marketing. Marketing is simply getting people to see you, especially in music. That's what marketing is, gaining traction. If we go to his avatar, when it comes to his outfit, it was very simple, but he was wearing a red bandana as well as a green jacket that stood out from everybody.
He got the little track jacket on, got Mexico in the back, he rapping.
In terms of makeup, nothing, but you can say his face tattoos is part of his appearance. And for his hair, he had rainbow hair. Extremely controversial because people associate with rainbow with, that. And he was in a very hood setting, which was contrasting with how he was presenting himself.
The only thing that I'm kind of iffy of is the hair. You know what I'm saying? That colorful hair with the rainbow teeth ain't kicking.
In the video itself, in terms of props, he had a car with like 7 kilograms of weed inside. When people were reacting to this video, the moment they saw the bags of weed on the police car, they paused and were like, what the hell?
He got hella peas behind the mountain.
It's granny out there. Look at all that dro though. Them niggas got pounds back there, nigga.
Additionally, with actors, I'm not gonna call them actors, but people in the background, he had a theme. And it was, everybody were Bloods. For the location and background as well, they were in the hood of New York. For the beat, this one is interesting. The instrumental was produced by a peer who at the time was popping off. Additionally, the beat was extremely unique. People really enjoyed the beat. And in terms of the features, there were no features. He didn't utilize that. But for the lyrics, because he's Hispanic, it's a bit controversial here, but I'm just gonna say it because I'm not here telling you to do something, I'm just telling you what he did. He used the N-word a lot. I hope this right here gives you some level of clarity to understand that you also don't need to hire an expensive videographer or videographers to make a viral music video. A good quality video is not the equation to a viral music video. It's the context. It's the components of the music video in which you're maximizing. If you're able to hook people's attention with your lyrics, with your beat, with the location, with the props, with the outfit of the avatar, that's enough. You can film a music video on an iPhone and go viral. I do want to mention really quickly that I do offer mentorship services, and you guys literally booked me out to the max and there were no more slots available. So now I just want to say that we freed up some slots and we are very picky with who we choose to have on board. We are only capable of handling between 15 to maximum 20 people at a time. So if you are in need for mentorship services, go ahead and apply down below, and I hope to see you soon. So let's look at this artist named Contrast. And he had one music video that completely popped off. This guy didn't spend much effort at all in the music video. He set a camera in 2 or 3 positions and just layered them over one another. There was no crazy editing. It probably took an hour to edit this entire music video. But he just maximized his components. When we talk about his avatar, he put on one of those rice hats that Chinese people use in farms, or was it Vietnamese people? Sorry, don't mean to be racist. So he had a rice hat, okay, adding to his brand that he's an Asian rapper. He has grills in his mouth. Something I want to talk about is that when people wear grills, it gives you an immediate interest because you associate people who wear grills with successful, already well-known rappers, right? Because when rappers blow up, one of the first things they do is get grills. So when you come across a rapper who has grills in their mouth, you're breaking the barrier of resistance when it comes to trying to get people's attention by having things like grills or face tattoos. I'm not asking you to get face tattoos, but these are legitimate examples. Additionally, in terms of props, he has chicken on his plate. He's at a cookout, okay? He's in the hood, yeah? A Chinese guy invited to the cookout. So in terms of the actors, all the people are African American. He has a plate of chicken, which you already know what I'm trying to say. When it comes to the lyrics, he said, I'm the only that can say the word, right? I'm the only that could say this for the homies out. When you go to his music video and go to the most replayed part, that was the most replayed part. Now, in terms of the beat, there's a level of familiarity because Ice Spice rapped to a very similar beat. Don't give a fuck. Out in the yams. And I'm keeping my tips with a rake in my grip in place of a blick. And therefore there was a level of familiarity there. It was trending at that time. So he still optimized that component. I hope this helps you understand how you can maximize the potential of getting a viral music video just by maximizing components. One thing I do want to mention is, what are your competitive advantages in which you can use? For example, when it comes to your race, if you are Asian, if you are white, how can you use that to your advantage? That's a part of your avatar. That's a part of your self-image. Additionally, your accent, the country that you're from, how you look. Are you short? Are you extremely tall? How can you use that to your advantage? Really sit down and think about it. One thing I find so frustrating is when people don't sit down and think as a musician and they expect to go viral. Sit down and think about how you can maximize the components of your music video to go viral. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next class.